Good morning and welcome to Crypto Vault. Smooth Love Potion, SLP. Other significant area tokens are languishing. Ape is down 15%, Mana is down 13%, Axes is down 20%, Sand is down 13%, and Cake is down 13%. The coin hit a top toward the beginning of April of $0.028, yet even before the present dive the coin was at that point on the slide. It has now lost 74% of its worth in a little more than a month. At that top it was uncovered. There had been a $625 million hack into the Frameworks organization. Sky Mavis, the organization that fostered the Axie Infinity play to procure internet game and the Ronin blockchain network behind it, announced that a programmer had taken 173,600 ethereum, ETH, worth $300 million in real money and $25.5 million worth of the dollar stablecoin USDC. The association has been scrutinized for unfortunate security. Sky Mavis simply couldn't have cared less about security for however long they were bringing in cash, said Chen Li, CEO of New York-based digital currency investment organization Yaobi Capital. They are simply worried about this high benefit from the game. What is SLP crypto? Will the hack influence financial backer certainty? Might the SLP at any point cost estimate recuperate from this impact? In this video, we take a gander at the undertaking's new turns of events, what SLP is utilized at, the SLP cost history, what influences the SLP cost, and the absolute most recent SLP Axie coin cost predictions. SLP basic examination from CoinCodex was negative, with the cost at $0.027 at the hour of compassing on 11 May. There were 25 markers giving negative signs and 3 bullish signs. Yet, as indicated by CoinCodex's momentary smooth love elixir cost expectation, the coin could fall 4% to $0.001 by 16 May. Calculation-based investigation site Wallet Investor was negative in its drawn-out SLP crypto expectation. The site's projection was that SLP to United States dollars could exchange down to $0.0015 around this time 1 year from now, and by 2027, the cost could tumble to $0.0003, the information showed. SLP coin cost expectation recommended that the cost could tumble to focus in the following year. Conversely, the Smooth Love Post-Ion crypto cost expectation from DigitalCoin anticipated that the coin should move higher in view of verifiable information, assessing that the cost could average $0.014 in 2025, up from $0.0095 in 2022, and normal $0.033 by 2030. Value prediction Smooth Love Elixir coin forecast was likewise certain on the viewpoint as long as possible, extending that the cost of the Smooth Love Mixture token could ascend from a normal of $0.023 in 2022 to a normal of 16 cents in 2025 and 48 cents in 2030. SLP structures Axie Infinity play to acquire economy. The SLP coin, recently known as Little Love Mixture, is a utility symbolic that players in the Pokemon-motivated Axie Infinity universe can acquire as remunerations for ongoing interaction. Axie Infinity is based on the Ethereum blockchain. SLP is an ERC20 token. Players can utilize SLP to raise advanced pets called axies, which are NFTs that they can offer to different players in the Axie Infinity marketplace. New players need to purchase axies to join the game. There is no cap on the stock of SLP tokens. The blockchain-based plan empowers Axie to compensate players for their commitments to the environment, which has started to lead the pack in advocating the play-to-procure model for NFT games. Axie has drawn in a huge number of players from agricultural nations, chasing another revenue stream during the COVID pandemic, as per the white paper. The fast development in the game's prominence has made a grant model in which administrators lease their axies to researchers who use them to acquire pay. Sent off in 2018 by game studio Sky Mavis, Axie Infinity has outperformed CryptoPunks, one of the primary major NFT assortments that sent off in 2017, with a complete exchanged volume of more than $3.81 billion, contrasted and $2.32 billion for CryptoPunks, as indicated by DappRadar. The SLP crypto cost drifted somewhere in the range of $0.009501. It then spiked to a high of 42 cents on 1 May, prior to dropping back to $0.148 on 12 May. As indicated by the SLP graph, instability expanded as the cost of SLP dunked and skipped 2 times more in May. SLP exchanged down to $0.011 in June and energized to $0.4088 in July. The value tumbled to $0.055 on 21 September and exchanged somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 10 cents in October. November saw a bullish SLP in metaverse-related tokens, followed the renaming of Facebook's FB parent organization as Meta Platforms. The SLP value rose to $0.135 on 4 November, however a negative turn across the digital money markets pulled the cost lower. SLP finished 2021 at $0.027 and has kept on declining, presently exchanging around $0.018. SLP Axiinfinity designers have been endeavoring to address the sharp drop in the SLP crypto esteem. On 23 September, designers changed the Axiii charge, diminishing the axies cost from 2 to 1 and expanding the SLP cost on a size of 600 SLPs to raise 1 Axie up to 6,300 SLPs for 6 axies. As indicated by the Axiinfinity blog, the expense was changed in light of a stop page in development due to worries over an awkwardness in the pace of SLP stamped versus consumed every day. Huge variances in the rearing charge brought about by instability in the axies and SLP esteem, and the ascent in axies to 80% of the reproducing expense, which has detracted from SLP's utility inside our economy. Sky Mavis is fostering a decentralized trade, DEX, on Ronin, an Ethereum-connected sidechain for Axiinfinity that will permit players to try not to need to pay gas expenses to handle exchanges on the Ethereum blockchain. They are likewise fostering another fight framework that will present a demo of the Axiinfinity game prior to settling on financial choices. The engineers said. Our development projections for 2022 propose that we will require a huge number of axies for the future onboarding rush that we expect with the send-off of our Ronin DEX and Battles V2. By and large, at whatever point we've sent off highlights that have diminished grinding and expanded utility for axies, we've seen a flood of rearing to represent the expanded interest from axies, from both new players and veterans the same. The designers are taking a gander at ways of re-evaluating the administration of the Axiinfinity economy, either to wise machines or educated individuals, regarding the Axie people group. On 20 January, the designers reported another component empowering Axiinfinity players to deliver their axies into the metaverse as a trade-off for restricted version in-game things. Whenever axies are delivered, they can't be returned or utilized in fight, which is a significant stage towards adding financial adjusting components to Axie. A new report in the Financial Times recommended that